Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Friday, January the 14th. No, it's the edition of yesterday, Thursday, January the 13th, 2022. I've already solved three puzzles: Sudoku and the 1 star with the 2 stars and the binary. So now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. Number, this will be number 3983. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So we will see. Okay, faster than 50 minutes. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, only one single box. Yeah, single box, always a 1. Can we see here the following question is the dual box? I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and a 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 1 and 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have any triple boxes here? No triple box. Quadra box. I see here a quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Here also a quadra box. Well, the 1 and the 3 is already filled in. So those 2 boxes should be the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. And remember, if you see a quadra box in an L shape, the box, the inside box, this box, inside box of the L shape is always a 5. It cannot be a 1, 2, 3, or the 4. Always a 5. Okay. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures, construction, whatever you name it. For example, this upside down L shape. We have an L shape here. Alright. Remember, if you see the L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. Here, another L shape. Mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes here? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. Alright. This shape, remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shapes? No. Only 1. Well, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Here. Okay. Here we have that shape. And this shape, remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah, here. This box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the last shape or figure that you need to recognize is this one. This one, yeah. If you see this kind of shape here, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay. This box, same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No. So in this puzzle we have 4 shapes that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. One box left in this W area shape for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 missing numbers in this area for the numbers are 1. The 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there in this dual box. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. And the 4 goes here. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. It can be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. So this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? That box can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can it be a 2? Surround the 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L shape area for numbers 1 and 4. Yeah, let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 4. Yeah, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be a 4? We have a double 4 there. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this quadra box for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Okay. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 3 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1. In this area should be there. 2 numbers left. In this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. This box is connected with that box, so we also 3 and 5. But we already have a 3 here, so it can't be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, so we also have 5. So now we have 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place 2 here. The 2 supposed to be here. Okay. Then I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. And I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1s, and now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Finish in 12 minutes. Yes, faster than 50 minutes. Told you, for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also over by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, or the quintuplet. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now.